How to trade with the cryptocurrencies. Hi, this is Ahura and I'm here with you to answer this $1,000,000 question. First of all, you have to understand that the cryptocurrency's price is so volatile and unstable. And actually, it's the main reason why many traders choose to trade with that. And if you can learn how to trade cryptocurrencies, this market can give you much higher return comparing with the traditional investment. In a crypto world, you have to choose being a holder or trader, but you can trade as well while you have some coins holded for a longer time in your wallet. Trading in a cryptocurrency market means learning how to use the opportunity of raising or falling prices. If you are trading with the brokers like IFC Markets that give you crypto CFD or contract for difference, then you can trade on both sides. You can buy when price raises or sell when the price is falling, even without having that in advance in your wallet. Another plus in a CFD trading is that you do not need to have a cryptocurrency wallet to deal with the problems such as memorizing or even possible losing the keywords that you may lose your capital. So, to learn what to do and how to trade with the cryptocurrencies, stay with me. So the next step is to find the broker that can give you the opportunity of CFD trading, because as I told, in a CFD trading you can buy and sell without having the actual cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency wallets having in making sure about that its safety is very important, and something that too many people they don't like it, because it's a little bit hard to make sure always that it's safe. You don't forget it's a private case or the secure information that someone can be that can someone stole your cryptocurrencies from your wallet. So therefore, too many people they prefer to trade the safety of the cryptocurrency without having this headache of looking after the safety of their wallet. In IFC Market, we can give this opportunity to you. So therefore, here is the website of IFC Market. You can go through. You can find the link under this video, ifcmarkets.com. And when you're in the website here, open an account. You can register with us, fill all this information, and after you have all your information here, you register. You will have your own dashboard. In this dashboard here, you will be able to open an account with us, live account or demo account to practice. I can tell you the first step is to open a demo account. In a demo account, you can find you can have a better opportunity to test first of all what you learned before going to the real market and start trading. To get the information, you can go to our website. In here, in our website, you can have information and analysis every day on the cryptocurrencies, or you can go to the Glassnode's website. So it's a very important and very professional website. There's too many information about the cryptocurrency market, and if you want to learn read the news, you can go to the here. There are too many information about news, and you can learn too many news. You can learn read too many the analysis. And after that, you have all this information. You are ready to start your trading. To start your trading, you can go after open the account in a demo account. You can go to our MetaTraders. In our MetaTrader platform, you can trade in a MetaTrader 4 or you can trade in MetaTrader 5. No matter whatever you want and you think is better for you. Here you have the list of the cryptocurrencies. As you can see, you can add them with having a control U and add all the cryptocurrencies that we have in our platform. You can trade with Litecoin, Ripple, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and too many other cryptocurrencies that step by step we are adding in our platform. After learning how to understand how to find the fundamental analysis, you also need to learn how to find your technical information and how you can use actually this MetaTrader, because this MetaTrader have too many indicators and too many other details that you need to learn about them. Having information about the MetaTrader, to have this, you can go to our YouTube channel, IFC Market. In the YouTube, you can search IFC Markets. Here in our YouTube channel, you can find too many information and videos about MetaTraders 4 and 5, how to use MetaTraders. You can find them in French, you can find them in English, you can find them in different languages, Persian, Arabic, Russian, how to use MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. and also next method that different meta traders, and also next trade FX, which is our specific platform in IFC Markets. After learning all of them, it's time to go and use your meta traders. Here in a MetaTrader, to learn how to trade the cryptocurrencies, you also need to have the strategy. After learning the technical indicators, now you need technical strategies. For example, here in this chart of the Bitcoin, this strategy works with the volume combination. It's a combination of volume and Bollinger Bands. Here in this Ethereum chart, there is a combination of RSI with the moving averages, which we call it EMA pricing strategy. Or you can go, for example, use the MACD with the moving average, for example. Or here in this strategy works based on moving average and OBV, or one balance volume. So after learning about the fundamental news and fundamental data, you need to learn about the technical indicators as well. The technical data, technical indicators, technical strategies. Learning all of them will give you the opportunity how to trade in the cryptocurrencies market. And now you are ready to open a real account and found your account and start your tradings.